a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset. My choices. My willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit. Because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
Woohoo! Let's get it! Woohoo! Yay! Alright, gang, give me a sec. I'm finishing up this J. What's the deal, everybody, though? How's everyone doing? Everyone doing well? Fuck a tennis ball. Benny, hold my J. Alright. Here he comes. Get ready for applause. Get ready for standing ovation. Alright. You guys doing? Oh wait, shit. That's better. Alright, yeah, we got there's a nice entry here off when it was driving. I saw it pull back. Let's see. Let's look for a bottom wick here. This is a nice drive outside the range. The 2 hour is going to close bullish. The hourly is going to close bullish above everything here. I think we should see the retest of the top of the range. Let's mark off some areas for entry. There's 2 minutes left here. As long as it doesn't close with no top wick, we should have entries here fairly soon. Oh, Zoom door, come on in. Yes, I'm sorry. Come on in, everybody. H2O, good point. Nick W, what's going on? Nick with his 8 burners. A minute to go. I don't know if this will be an entry for me. I think down here would be an entry for me. All right, 15 seconds for closure. I'm looking for entries at 23.90, 29.30, 29.29, 29.28, 29.27. Smaller range. It's not a massive range. It's only what, 50 pips here to come up. But we will look for some buys. We need to get a lower wick to this level here. Did not quite get there. All right, gonna take a buy right there. Just took a buy. Why is this so stretched out? Here's the deal, gang. I'm gonna go break even here. There's no reason for us to retest the low of this candle. We should drive here. So I took risk off the table. This is now a risk-free trade, house money. Let's see if this can come up, break the highs, or will it re-break the lows? Take us out. All right, closing full right there. 26 pips. W. Sniper entry. Sniped it. No drawdown, straight into profits. We filled the range, filled this wick. Not much of a wick there. It's only a few pips. This wick here is 4 pips. There's not much to fill there, right? This whole range is small, but we just took 26 pips out of it. Congrats. Or we took 23 out of it. Sorry, it closed me for 23. It does this little synchronization thing. And after the synchronization, can anybody explain to me what exactly synchronization means? Like, is it like right after? Is it like, I don't know, what is it? The timing is the difference between MT5 and the actual brokerage. I don't know, but I get an adjustment after my trades. Sometimes I get a little adjustment, and then it's called synchronization, and they'll take away. So they just took away like 3 pips. All right, 23 pips on there. Good closure. We would have came back down to hit BE. Nice way to start the morning with a little snipe action. Oh, that was on the dot, the opening and the closing. Very nice. Very nice. Yep, Zoom door. Just let everyone in. So. It was a quick break even. Why did you go BE that quick? There was no point in holding it once we rebroke the highs. We made a bottom wick and we rebroke the highs, and we had the wickiest of wick entries. So if we come back to our entry, that means we're breaking the low of the current candle, coming back for a steeper bottom wick, right? So it just doesn't make sense to hold. If we're going to close at that point anyway, you might as well put a stop there and let it rock. At this point, right, once it flips bullish, creates a top wick and rebreaks its own low, I mean, you've already grabbed the top wick. That was the advantage point. At this point, it can definitely drive down now without making a top wick, right? The edge was the understanding that we're going to have to flip here and make a top wick at some point. But once that edge played out, we don't really have to drive to the top of the range. We got a top wick here now. We could come right back down. Was it B trade? No. Caught 2 positions, 23 pips. We're number 427. Yeah, 113 straight dubs. Interesting. Yeah, at this point we can continue down. We grab the bottom wick, flip bullish, rebroke current candle highs, didn't break previous candle highs, and went right back down. That one took him out. It's funny. No, here's the deal. I realize we're gonna need some more candles to print at this point, so I'm really on the fence about going to do the damn thing. Not even on the fence. I'm just telling you guys I'm on the fence. I'm going to do the damn thing. Did you see yesterday's market? It sucked yesterday. No trade day. We had a position yesterday for Asian session. Took 30 pips in Asian session. Look at this. Our second level would have sniped it as well. Both of our levels would have caught their 10, 12 pips. But I can't take that after that top wick is made. How many hours I slept? About 2.5, 3. It's catching up to me. Yeah, I had to finish. I was working on some stuff. I was just working on this. Working on some mentorship stuff. Cow tipping story time. Yeah, you know what? Let me smoke a joint and I'll be back with the story. Stick around. Yeah, the cow tipping story. Man. I haven't told this story in a long time. You guys thought my milk story from Walmart was fun? Wait till you hear my cow tipping story. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Benny, that's a bird. That's a bird. And you can't fly, bro. You don't have wings. Hey, stop that. You're gonna get a cone. He hates the word cone. When I say the word cone, he tucks his tail under his legs. What if you say peanut butter or thermometer? No, he's not. He's not there yet. Yo, we gave him peanut butter on his last visit for his vaccines. He had 3 shots, and yo, they gave him like 4 sticks of peanut. They put peanut butter on like a wooden stick so he can lick it off. But Kenny's like, lick it off? This motherfucker bit the fucking stick off with 1 bite and just ate the peanut butter and the stick. She's like, what a monster. She's like, what is he doing? So by the time she tried to take out the stick that he was chewing on, like, he swallowed it, and then he saw 3 more sticks of peanut butter, and he just grabbed them right off the table. He ate the peanut butter, the wooden sticks, didn't leave a drop. He literally, he ate all the, like, the wood, the little. I was like, yo, this shit's gonna cut him up right now, poke him. And she was like, nah, he's just gonna poop out some sticks. It's like a fucking animal. That's the equivalent of you eating your yogurt and the spoon. American Excel, yeah. He's an Excel bully. And the funny thing is, you know, some dogs growl when you reach into their teeth or take away their food. He wasn't growling. He was just like, nope, you're not going to get it. He just ate the whole stick. Excel bully around your kids? Yeah, they ride him like a horse. Banned in UK for a reason. They're banned in Miami too. And oh well. Such a dainty British thing to say. contract you're using for AMP? GCEJ. You know, most people that vote for banning dogs are people that don't have dogs or have no clue what the fuck they're talking about. But they get a voice, right? It's like asking your friend who doesn't have a driver's license advice on driving. Same thing with poo-poos. Pew, pew, pew. Hank, Hank, Hank. Same thing with Hank Hanks. A dog doesn't randomly attack a family. I think that family would have to do some wild shit for the dog to snap for no reason. Dogs aren't randomly known to attack people. Just like black people aren't known to randomly mug you. It had nothing to do with dogs, or it's just a specific, it would have to do with that specific situation, that specific dog, right? Right? Like saying all Chinese people are smart at math. Like, no, each individual is approached as such individually. Like, all Indians dream of owning a 7-Eleven. That ain't true. Just a couple of them. Individually. Benny, come here. Let me take this sheet off you. Yeah, like all white people can't jump, right? That ain't true. Did you see the slam dunk contest? Once again, it's individually. We all ugly ass people on the inside, end of the day. What about at the beginning of the day? Where's Zoom people? Oh, they're in the Zoom. Sorry, I forgot about them. There's people in the Zoom here. Over here. Damn, look at that wick. Look at that wick. About to pack this last bowl before I re-up. I have so much keef in this grinder. Holy. Well, there's an achievement you can really be proud of. See if they can put that in the paper. Huh. 10 minutes for this 30. Or urine? What? The fuck's going on in the chat? We have medium impact news. Florida people eat a lot of canned foods. Why does that come off like such a diss? What you trying to say? That's kind of mean, bro. Why you gotta take it there? Story time. All right. I don't know. I was waiting on this 30 closure, but yeah, I think we can do a story. All right. So what were we talking about yesterday? How did this even come up? How did this even come up? We were talking about bulls, something like that. Oh, people at the Zoom door. All right, so I got a really funny story about going cow tipping with a couple of buddies. So picture this: it's a really cool, crisp Friday night, right? And my buddies and I are running. We're like night out, poor life decisions, a bunch of Red Bull. So we decided to finally cross off cow tipping off our list of things that probably don't happen in real life. So picture this: we're in Pennsylvania, just in the mountains, in the Poconos, in some random farmer's field, sneaking up on what appears to be like the most serene, oblivious cow in existence. Let me tell you, tipping a cow is not as easy as it sounds, right? These things are fucking built like biological refrigerators, and despite what you see in the movies, it's like they don't just flop over like a Jenga tower, right? When you push them. So it took three of us, a countdown, a whole lot of grunting, and somehow we get this fucking 1,500-pound steak factory just leaning over, and then boom, the fucker topples, and just like a slow motion disaster, like bang. And we're standing there, we're high-fiving, we're fucking feeling like absolute legends. And then the fucking cow wakes up. Now, when I say wakes up, I don't mean like a sleepy, groggy rise. No, this fucking bovine beast, that fucker goes from unconscious to Hulk mode in less than a second. The eyes snap open. It's like a fucking horror movie demon, and it lets out this like low, angry, like bass boosted fucking moo. Moo. This shit shook my soul, yo. You know, at some point, you just kind of turn around and you realize you made a huge mistake. And then it fucking charges. Yo, I don't know if you've ever seen a 1,500-pound freight train of beef coming straight at you. Let me tell you, it puts like every nightmare, every horror movie, every bad life decision you've ever made into perspective real quick. My friends took off. They scattered like fucking roaches the second that thing moved at me. And I fucking froze. I didn't move. I looked around. They're gone. The fucking thing's charging at me. And like, I couldn't move. So I panicked and I figured that the best course of action at that time was to square up with the fucking cow. So I did what any fucking idiot, you know, any self-respecting out of his mind idiot would do, and I fucking punched the cow right in the face. I look like a fucking Wild West gunslinger, but just dumber. Way dumber. Yo, I connected with the fucking jaw, and for a brief shining second, everything stopped. The cow froze, I froze, and the whole universe froze. It was like, the cow was looking at me like, did this idiot just throw hands at me? And then it fucking blinked, like it just got absolutely the biggest disrespect ever. Turned around, it looked at me, it went, and walked away. This shit left like I wasn't even worth the effort, right? Like it wasn't worth the effort to destroy me. Yeah, this shit thought my punch was so pathetic, I wasn't even a fucking threat, right? And picture this, standing there, fist clenched, punched the cow in the face. He's walking away. My friends are fucking dying laughing, and I'm sitting there feeling like either the stupidest human on the planet or like I just unlocked some secret cow respecting martial arts technique. That's how I couldn't find my friends, but as soon as the cow was gone, all I hear is Yo, I don't know if he thought I disrespected him or if the cow disrespected me, but it was literally like he was pissed as hell, but as soon as I punched him in the face, he was like I'm not even the disrespect. Oh my god, yo. Yeah, I don't go near farms anymore. Black cow, we all know it. Yo, it literally looked at me like, are you for real right now? You throwing hands at me? Oh. I was disrespectful, like I figured like he would be pissed off. Yo, it's scary because that motherfucker's like, I don't know, like 2,000 pounds. I don't know. When the dude fought the cow, I seen parts of Kung Pao, not all of it. The cow slayer. Not for nothing. Look at this 15. Like, this is lovely. The thing is, the way it's closing, we might not see a bottom wick here on this next 15. This, I mean, initially to open up the candle with this bullish momentum to break previous highs as we're closing out the candle. The next 15 might give you a drive up. Holy shit! Sorry, this is way stretched out. This is what it looked like. It should look like. Cowabunga. I see what you did there. I see what you did there, Will Livingston. How punny of you. That was really punny. Get it? See what I did there? All right, fine. We'll check it. We'll check it. Oh, news. Oh, no, never mind. I thought it was like, what the fuck? CP, that's CAD. Yeah, we ain't got shit. We got Papa Trump speaking a little bit. Probably tonight sometime. Or 3 p.m. or 4:30. 4:30. I'm in utter disbelief. Stayed up all night wondering where the sun went, and then it dawned on me. Got everything running straight with the contracts? Yeah, it was an MT5 error. I see what you did there. Okay, fine, bro. I got you.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Thank you. interesting. It made that bottom wick first. I think if it made that top wick first, so we just spoke. I'm sorry, it made the top wick first, right? If it made a bottom wick first, we were just talking about this on the 15. If it made this first, we might have been looking for entries, but the top wick was created first here. Kind of tough because the 30 is a leg candle, but looks like this should still continue down, or let's continue up. Yeah, the 15 looks better than the 30 does. Oh, it's gonna break the high here. Yep, there it goes.
भाई मैं जा रहा हूँ यार, यहाँ से पहले तो
What? What'd you call me? Waiting for the 4 hour? Not necessarily. Damn, this might pump heavy here. It's tough. flip the charts. Okay, listen carefully, alright? Because this is a story all about how my charts got flipped, turned upside down. Alt-I. Alt-I. Turn your monitor upside down? Nope, that will make your charts Jewish. If you turn your monitor upside down, you're gonna have to read your charts from right to left. Leaving soon today. See you, chat. You mean leaving early? There it is. Yeah, it looks like it's highly likely that we're gonna have positions on the next hourly candle. What do we want to see? We want to see a closure above 29.36 here. I think every time we've closed above 29.36, we've driven up. Right. Closed above. Bottom wick. Closed above. Bottom wick. And then drive up. Closed above, drive up, respected, drove up, picked out, drove up, right? Closed above here. So where do we get these bottom wicks at, right? Boom, boom. Right. 3 different areas, 3 different levels for bottom wick here. The key will be the closure. We have plenty of supports to drive up from. What we lack at this moment is closure, and we have volume. We've had closures outside the range. We're driving, right? So we're waiting for timing to line up with our breakdown. Cow tipping story? Tell me you just showed up and you missed it. If you missed the cow tipping story, rewind back about 10-15 minutes. No way, yeah. You're that late. I mean, we've only been here an hour. Where was you? Yeah, 15 closed, no good for me. Quite a few of you in the Zoom, over 50 people. I think this is our new all-time high in the Zoom right now, 51. Okay. Okay. Spot is different again. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Let's look at the higher time frame. It's not very different, but it is different. What's this? Oh, that's last night's position right here. Yeah, it's funny. I still have it on here. This was last night's position. Right here. Entry here. New all-time highs reached in Zoom, 52 people. You guys are all witnesses. We won't be able to enter at the same time. Well, the door wasn't wide enough anyway. Let's take turns. Maybe we will be. I don't know. Maybe we will enter at the same time. What's the 4 hour look like on spot? You know what? That's not that impressive. Oh shit, that's 145 pips. Well, for a 4 hour candle, that's not that impressive. What am I looking for at 9 a.m.? A lot will depend on the closure. I'll be looking to see if this candle closes above the range, current candle, and if it leaves a top wick. So we would need to close above 2936.45 and look for a bottom wick on the next candle. About 8 minutes left. Yeah, we're here till 10 today. All right. Stepped outside to smoke. You guys just reminded me about the charger. Somebody oblige Manny and just ask him these what? Somebody say Domino's? Yeah, the guys on the boardwalk at the beach. Ha! Got him! Where would this stream be without you, Manny? We looking got him. Thank you, Jay, for making his morning. It's the Make-A-Wish Foundation YouTube chat version. Benny, come inside. Go inside. Come inside, you animal. Yeah, come on in. All right. One hug, but that's it. Only one hug. All right, come on. I'll do one, but no more. Oh my God, you're too big, bro. We're in our feelings. What you didn't like? What didn't you like just now? I don't think he likes this thing. Be right back, chat. More Amazon packages. I bet you're gonna leave your ass again. Alright, yeah, Jay, we're gonna send you the screenshots of our position. Smokes a jar. He didn't like the smell. He was outside next to me. Alright, new all-time high set for Zoom participants at 53. Seconds here for the 1 hour. In here, gang. Lock in. might flip right from here. This might be the top of this wick. 29.35 flat. Maybe we're gonna break it. Toga? Yeah, kind of toga. I do want to re-break out of lows here on this candle. I want it to re-break its own low, even if it decides to come up eventually. If we can re-break the lows first and then come up and start breaking highs, closing above, right? So, which would mean we'd need this candle to flip bearish, and after it flips bearish, we would want it to look like this. Right. If I see that in this candle 15 or 30, especially 30, if we do this for NYC open, boy, oh boy, oh boy, we're gonna, and together we're gonna rise. Oh shit, drop that. Feels like it's gonna be a no trade day. Another late comer. You guys are all early comers. Raj is a late comer. It is what it is. Just calling it like it is. When will Papa Trump speak? After 4? Or around 4? It's usually around 3 every day. But today I think it's a bit later. "26 minutes for NYC Open." Kind of weird we popped up so much considering the 15-5 closed out the 1 hour bearish. Yeah, so you would have expected to see a bottom wick unless you're gonna retest the resistance here to flip bearish. Right? 15 close bearish. Top wick to flip it. There's also not much range here on the bottom, right? On the 15 close. It's a really small wick. How much is that? It's a 3-pip wick. So maybe no more range to come down. Just gonna drive it from here. Is there a level here? There is a level here. Look at this. That's interesting. See these wicks? Right there, right from that wick, it just drives up there, and the same thing is happening here, right from that specific price point, right? Pulled up, came down, and I'm driving there. Right there, that wick held support. We broke the highs. Calling the ego, bro's got eyes for days. What you mean? What you mean? Let me see what spot looks like. So for our purposes on the futures chart, the 4-hour looks lovely, but I will give you guys a reminder that I will call this stream at 10 today, probably 5 minutes before 10. So if it doesn't set up before 10, we will trade it in the mentorship, and you will also see it in the signal channel. Up here, huh? If we could see a pop here, I mean, I'm gonna step outside, but if we could see a pop roughly 2940 areas, we'll lock in on buys as it pulls back. We need to see a pop. Chat. These are delicious. Honestly, these are banging. You ever had these? What? I don't know, it's sun-kissed gummies. Made with real fruits. Yeah? So's the Pride Parade. What you trying to tell me? I'm just gonna step outside and let that motherfucker simmer for a bit. I'm gonna let that boil a minute. Kenny took the day off. Yeah, he's letting Nick just kind of see what the view from the top of the pyramid is like. Ever since he won that 50K account, he's been different. He's changed. Oh no. They killed Kenny. You bastards. Benny, I know. Give me a minute, Benny. No days off unless it's a days off. How profound of you. Confucius say. Who does that? Benny? Who does that? Think we still go higher for the daily candle? I don't know. I don't know. We don't have an edge here in breaking this down. I believe eventually we will. Eventually, once we start getting closures above here, right? Because it's clean traffic. Clean drive up, clean drive down, clean drive up, clean drive down, clean drive up, down, up, down. Just the price tends to just push through this whole area. So I think once we start filling this range up again, it'll be a quick push, 1 or 2 candles. But you need a closure first. Never thought of what like that design tab in Discord. Let's look. Put Benny on an 18-wheeler. Interesting. AW Orchard Automotive. We had a good conversation yesterday. What's good, gang? Appreciate the $4.99. Three hours a day is 1,095 hours a year, so this time is worth on charts. Benny doesn't like what you had to say. He's saying you're wrong. All right, let me figure it out, Benny. Hold on, don't bark. How did you come up with 1,095? What formula did you use? Maybe it was a leap year, right? We don't know. I think that makes it kind of arbitrary. Yeah, and like there's no 365 trading days, right? How many trading days are there really? Yeah, I think the math ain't mathin'. put the buys here? It's scary because that could have been a 30 flip, right? It came right down to the flip and drove up. I took it off the 4 hour. You have a different chart. Hold on, let's look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, I waited for the 4 hour to flip, came down. Once it did, got in 29.18, 02. Yeah, and once it occurred and flipped again, then I got in. And I'm up almost 150 pips after this session.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Looks a bit different here. Looks a bit different here on spot. I mean on futures. Oh yeah, to 2 positions instead of 1 position with higher sizes because I get to manage. Just easier for me to manage them. Plus I have a, I don't know, maybe it's mental thing. I have a lot size that I'm comfortable trading and seeing positions at. Ooh la la la. Okay, that makes sense now. To leave a 2940 tap, yeah, I would like it to drive through a 2940. ish. This is interesting. There's actually a closure there. 2940. 40.4. Huh. What did it do last time we drove up to that area? 2937.6. I mean, that's what we just saw, right? 2937.6. No. What the hell was that? And he's over here mooing. Must have heard my cow story. Yo. Bro, where are you that you're making all these noises? What's over there? Clean range to 29.40. Yeah, just we have no guarantee that we're going to push up there right now because we haven't broken that previous brick, the previous candle wick right here. To the left. What amount I will change it? 100, maybe. There's no top wick, there's no bottom wick on the previous 5. Yeah, I agree. Price should come up and get to 40 here somehow. Okay, so 40 has been reached. It's a minor level, but it was a reaction level, from which point I would like a pullback, so we've tapped it. Let's see if it can pull back from here. NYSE open here. So, exactly as we said, I get to 40, see a pullback, some kind of reaction, and a closure. I feel like this is such a much easier read when it's on sells here. He's absolutely fucking milking the market. It's not a cow, bro. It's not a cow. But he's just milking it. About 20 minutes for this 4 hour. Let me see. Get out of here, sucker punching the cow. True. Oh, you gotta go in a few? Yeah, I gotta go in a few. We're going about 20 minutes. Right before the closure. If you're in the inner circle, I'll see you guys in the Zoom for 10 a.m. Might have positions. Unless we're running positions here, right? Unless we have positions here. J real name is Jerome Powell. Word. Yeah, when Jay gets slipped, the broker pays him. What did we say yesterday? Jay don't use stops. Stops use Jay. It's too soon. Still a lot of time left in this 4 hour. But that is a heavy candle, right? How big is that candle? Well, it's not that much. It's under 200 pips. 180. 185 pips. Bro, you think it's smart to invest my Pokemon profits into Forex? Well, I don't know if you're going to listen to me because, like, was it smart to invest in Pokemon? And now you got your profits, you're going to invest that into Forex? I don't know. If you asked me about that initially, I probably would have said, no, bro. JOB funding. But you made profits, so I don't know. Who am I to say anything, right? Maybe it's smart for you to put it into Forex. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone, but it's how I did it, yeah. Because you realize, based on having trading experience, that it's unsustainable. At 50k YouTube followers, we need a J face. Hey, we might get back to 25 faster than we get to 50. Yeah, we lost like 20 subscribers over the weekend. Go figure. Benny, you're scaring the audience. Do collabs? Word. Bring everyone else down. Let's do it. Make everyone else lose viewers. taking everybody with me. I'm toxic right now. No clue why he's barking. Oh, maybe because he's a fucking dog, that's why. Yeah. Fucking what? Be on the street, he barks at people passing by and they're like, "What's wrong with your dog?" Be like, "What, does yours not do that?" Like, something wrong with your dog. You need to bring that shit back. Get a refurbished one. Dogs do bark. Word, that's kind of their shit, right? Like, that's what they do. That's my dogs. Why are you barking? He's so angry. He just walked in the office. I let him in. I opened the door and he's like, oh. The most human sigh ever. All right, last 15, maybe even last 10 of our session. I don't know. Let's see what we can get. I think if we're in a position, actually, we might hop into the mentorship a bit later, or like 5-10 minutes later. Because I honestly, I don't want to miss the trade by restarting everything and relaunching the Zoom. So let's see if it sets up first, and then we'll launch. Your internet connection is unstable. Thanks for that notification. I think it's something to do with YouTube.
Yeah, because every time I pop it out for the chat, it goes blank. And then when I let it run, it's fine. But I don't see any of the previous messages that happened previous to that. So I've been missing a lot of messages. I have absolutely no idea what's been going on. But
they're not saying
it was fine. No, I'm sure that's cool.
I mean, they're not saying anything in general, but nothing nice. There's nothing nice to say.
I'm just wondering if anybody knows how to fix this, because I saw people saying that there was an issue, but I don't understand. I signed out, signed back in. I opened 2 of them, and it's still an issue. And I'm not sure what to do. I went to check online, and nobody seems to have a resolve for the issue. So I figured I'd just ask.
Do what they used to do back in the 1900s when they would just walk up and just pop. Try it with the screen.
No, it has nothing to do with orders. It's just the chat, the live chat.
I think it's your screen. Your computer screen?
No, I mean, like, I see it, and then if I close the pop out, it disappears, and I lose all of the previous messages, where it never happened like that prior to that.
Yeah, it's definitely an issue with your screen.
Maybe something I clicked somewhere. I don't know. I'm just trying to like remove the issue. Yeah, I closed the app. I signed out. I signed back in. Did it again. Yeah, nothing's working. Let me check online again.
Must be a Mexican chat or something. Fonzie touch. Great suggestion. Went to Home Depot yesterday to buy some fake plants. I asked them, hey, you guys have fake plants? And she's like, you mean artificial? I was like, yeah, that shit. Like, nope. Got the weirdest look. I was walking around just asking everybody for fake plants, and they didn't understand what the fuck I was talking about. Until the woman was like, you mean artificial plants? Apparently, Home Depot doesn't do fake, doesn't do artificial. Right here in Florida, 70 degrees. Amen. Amen. Digital photo frame? Yeah, it probably costs as much as like a Galaxy Tab. Eight minutes. All right. Anyone anyone's part of the mentorship? And we're gonna watch this closure through, and then we'll start. We will head to the Zoom ski. Oh, you know what I needed to do that I completely forgot to do that I'm doing right now? I guess you guys will never guess. I'm charging my phone, which isn't charging with 2% battery. This fucking stupid idea was this, to steal my wire and break it. It's not work. Mr. George. It's new charger, no good, Mr. George. Oh, there it is. Now don't move. These are good. Wow, these got to be the most delicious grapes I've ever tried. What's this called? Moscato grape. That's delicious. What's the best way to limit drawdown in a trade? Sniper entries. We will hit the golden 3,000 mark. We were really close here. Before. Hearing you eat is killing me. Don't be afraid of a little DD. Be afraid of the big D. It's gonna get you. Wooga wooga. Back from dinner? You were just back from lunch like 2 hours ago. That's crazy. Eating good, huh? This is lovely. The fact that we're pushing up here is great. If we can only pull back. Eating 7 times a day. 12 bumbuckler eggs! Damn. Selman will be in a buyman very quick, very soon. Food's the best thing in the world? Yeah, that and vagina. I concur. Trust me. Trust me. Wow, it's a long 3 minutes. Put it in reverse. Alright. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. I want to see how this closes. We might have positions here in 2 minutes. If not, we'll call it a session and we'll take it to the signal channel. It's going, wow, pushing. Holy flaming balls of Zeus. This is really pushed today. Damn. Like, this is what I'm looking to trade off of, this 4-hour candle in 1 minute. We need a top wick. There's no top wick on the closure here. Well, let's see what happens. See similarities here. We drove up to here, pulled back. Need a bottom wick first. Huh. Yeah, that's kind of ugly. Close right at this level too, right? Benny, can you close the door? I'm looking for a price to come down here. I still want a bottom wick entry. But if we flip and we break the highs, I'm going to call it a session. I'd want a bottom wick down to here, and I'll still look for entries. Yo, holy shit, that's loud. Sorry, the fucking... Yeah. Come on, Benny, do better. Is that it? we get a closure at this area, 44, at the very least 41. So I'd expect lows to be broken. Sniped it. No, I was looking really for this area here. 29.41. It's the second time it's coming up for a flip here. So, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't flip. Maybe it continues down. But it's attempted a couple of times. Gunshine? No, there's just enough reason for me not to pull the trigger. Already a top wick on this candle. Previous candle doesn't have much of a top wick, so range wise it's not really there. So you want, if this is your range, this is like, I don't want to take 10 pips at a 20 pip range, right? But if we're talking 50, 60 pips here, I'll have a much easier time taking 10, 20 pips. Easier to catch 20 pips in a 60 pip range than it is to catch 10 pips in a 20 pip range. Yeah, we're breaking the highs here. I think we'll hop off here. I'm gonna take this to the signal channel and the mentorship. If you guys are still trading, be careful, but there's lots of volume, right? Wait for your setups. Don't jump in there, you know, randomly. Don't jump into random positions. Wait for what you always wait for. As for me, I'm going to take this, our next trade, into the signal channel. We're going to go live right now in the Inner Circle mentorship for the next few hours. And oh, the Discord link is invalid. If Jay can post the proper link, that'd be great. Yeah, go join our Discord. There's 1,038 members in there, over 1,000 people in there. So go join up. A lot of value, a lot of good discussions, a lot of different chats for whatever your fancy little heart desires, right? Whatever topic you wanna discuss. No trade day. No, we had a trade. We took 23 pips pretty early today. but no, we got a W. So congrats to everybody that took that dub with us. By the way, chat, since we did have a winning day, let's do the damn thing. Let's hey, win number 113 in a row. Streak lives on. Yes, drop some W's. Up 237 pips right now in this session. You're a sick puppy, sick person. You need help, or apparently not. Spam some dubs, chat, for 113 straight wins. Distribution of all right, yeah, let's call it a session here. Thank you guys for joining me today. We'll be right back into full swing of things tomorrow. Tomorrow's our full session. We'll probably go till 11 or noon, something like that. We'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. Zoom gang. Oh, nice panda there, John. Yeah, Zoom gang, I'll see you guys in the clubhouse side of things. If you're part of the mentorship, I'll send out the link in about a minute. Signal channel, stay tuned. There might be more positions coming up. It looks like we have a lot of volume. We just need our edge to set up. And chat, love and wisdom to you all. Appreciate you guys for spending the morning with me. You already know the deal. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody.
We're rich, baby.